You are all well and keeping in good spirit as we celebrate Europe Day in Mogadishu today. I'm glad and proud to be here with you all in this special occasion because of our government strongly feels that the EU, its member states and institutions are valuable allies to Somalia at the good times and at the difficult times as well. The EU's political and socio-economic integration and governance is what I hope we can learn from in the Horn of Africa region and African continent to silence the guns, spark growth, and herald in a new chapter of sustainable development for our citizens.
While the EU and Somalia are steadfast and long-term partners, our partnership has deepened further in the last year. Our joint diplomatic engagement is remarkable, and His Excellency the President's visit to Brussels last October is a true testament to these strong bonds. In the same vein, we can now also celebrate the one-year anniversary of the launch of the EU-Somalia Joint Operational Roadmap. This roadmap defines jointly agreed priorities in three key areas of inclusive politics and democratization, security and stabilization, and socio-economic growth.